Hi, in this video I would like to show you an indicator called relative momentum indicator, and this is an improved version of RSI. So if you see this indicator, this is the indicator here, and normally this indicator contains RMI period and MOM period, and 14 and 5 they are the default values for this indicator. You can have the levels 30 and 70. These are the levels here. So how to trade using this indicator? Normally the first way to trade this indicator is highs and lows. That means whenever the indicator crosses below the 70 level, that means the trend is going to be downward. Similarly, when the indicator crosses above the 30 level, that means that indicates a upward level. That means the trend is going upward. So that is the first one. And the second point is this indicator can be used to identify the chart patterns like flags, triangles, head and shoulders. So all those chart patterns, like using this indicator, you can identify those kind of chart patterns and trade forex. For example, if you see here, this is a head and shoulders pattern. You see, these are the two shoulders here, and this is the head. So using this indicator, you can use this indicator to identify these kind of chart patterns and enter forex trading. And the third one is divergence. That means when the price forms higher highs or lower lows, but the indicator is showing higher lower highs or lower highs or higher lows. This indicator can be used to trade that kind of divergence. If you see this one, see here, the indicator is showing lower highs, but the price is almost, you know maybe this is not the correct one, but if you see this one here, see, the price is showing higher highs, but the indicator is showing lower highs. See, this is a divergence here. So you can use this indicator for trading that kind of this kind of divergence also. So mainly this indicator can be used for high lows and highs, like you can identify the lows and highs, and you can also use it to identify the chart patterns like head and shoulders, and triangles, flags, etc. And you can also use this indicator to trade divergence. Thank you.